Hello heroes, I'm here to introduce you to the all-new limitless machine. It is a perfect creation for the adventure lovers, thrill seekers, and the creators of new experiences. It is not only for the off-road riding, but it's also a machine that holds its own on tarmac and in the city rides as well. For me, it has never been about the thrill of speed, but the sense of freedom that I get to experience while riding a machine of this caliber. Because where there is passion, there is no explanation needed at all. And speaking of passion, I would like to introduce you to our passionate National Rally riders joining me today here for the special unveil. Hey Satya, you are.
Hey Santosh, I'm super excited to be here and share this space with you.
Hey Champ, it's great to be here with you.
I am sure you guys are excited and thrilled as I am to unveil the new adventure machine. So let the adventure begin as we unveil the all-new Hero Xpulse 200 4-valve. Let's hear more from our National Rally champions themselves. So Satya and Yuva, what's new in our new powerhouse and what can an on-road and off-road enthusiast expect to experience on a motorcycle like this?
It has been styled to thrill, especially the contemporary dual tone with adventure-inspired cut graphics.
The new striking colors that we have with the trail blue, the blitz blue and the red raid further steals the show. The bright headlamp and the new seat profile makes those long rides even more comfortable. What do you have to say about that, Yuva?
What really attracted me was the way the Hero logo has been used as a designing element. It's enhanced volumetric and thermal efficiency, which gives you more power, more torque and excellent acceleration.
Definitely, it enables you guys to ride harder and faster. Even in top gear, the suspension and engine smoothness leaves you guys absolutely speechless.
Exactly, I just revved up to the maximum and it just picked up.
By the looks of it, the high tensile steel frame, bolstered chassis and its 10-step adjustable mono suspension wins it. Yuva, what do you think about this?
Yes, I feel it is born to ace the tough rides. It has superior strength, responsive handling and unparalleled comfort along with a two-third brake pedal which helps you more control and grip on tough conditions.
By the way, Yuva, you were riding the Rally Kit bike. I came across the really cool and interesting features on this motorcycle. It has got specially built rally-tuned suspension along with rally tires. Adding on the list of it is also the enhanced ergonomics, better control, along with increased ground clearance of 275 millimeters, which enables you to overcome any obstacle.
Yes, the bike had great control and gave me more confidence to ride through the off-road terrains with its gripping ride.
Indeed, I can't wait to have my hands on the throttle again. Yuva, you wanna ride?
Yeah, let's kick some dirt.
Satya and Yuva continue their adventurous journey to explore the unknown. Now, it's your turn to taste that thrill. Go now and check out the all-new Xpulse 200 4-valve and get ready for adventure.